Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing review. I'm checking out this Wulcea Graphene Heated coat here. All right, so we have some heating tips, got a little instructions. These come in a few different colors. Check that out. This is like a pretty sweet color. This has graphene heated technology with multiple like heat zones in here. What else we got? We got a little bag here, or maybe not so little bag. Big bag, like laundry bag, and throw it in there and launder it. And here we have our power system for heating this up. So graphene, there's that. What's the 18,400 milliamp hours? So should last a long time as far as that. So graphene, like traditional like heating elements you would have in your clothes would be like, like a heating pad basically. So like basically the wires in there. So graphene is a lot more, more pliable. I believe even if there's like a break in one, it'll still continue its, oh wow, this jacket is nice. It'll still continue its heating performance or whatever. So we get the graphene enhanced heated wear. That's really cool. Pop that off of there. Check out this jacket, guys. That is nice. It's got like a thick, heavy duty like material. It's not like lightweight or anything. I like these buttons. If we can see these little buttons right here, they're just kind of snap on there. No, just a little different than normal buttons, they seem like. Right, that's heavy duty zippers here. I'm gonna try this thing on. Okay. Oh yeah, that is comfy. Nice fit. I got the large size here. We got the hoodie as well. That can cinch down. That's super comfy. Here we have the button for this. I'm gonna throw this in here real quick. Wow, that's just nice. A nice like comfy like heavy duty jacket. Feels really snug. Aha, that's why. Our little pocket right here is for the heated apparel. Very sweet. There's our plug in there. This can also be used for charging up your phones and stuff like that. So it has an input output. It shows us at 81%. Check out the button right there. It's glowing. Just throw this in here. So if you're going to the beach, I live by the ocean. So if you're at the beach or something like that, you guys know it can get a little chilly pretty quickly. Press that. We have the different heating. So white, red, and blue. Oh wow! I'm gonna turn this on red and just feel the heat here. Already, I can feel that heating up, guys. That is nice. So this has quite a few heat zones in it. Yeah, that's just a really nice jacket here, guys. Really like it. Perfect fit here. It's got the elastic on the bottom around the wrist too. So nice deep pockets as well. Kind of like that a lot. I think it's a pretty good looking jacket as well. Oh yeah, it's getting toasty already. So I feel it on my shoulders, on my arms right here. That's kind of nice too. Yeah, I think I will just like take this out to the beach and try it. We also got pockets here in the front, pockets here on the front, pockets in the front here. We got our inside pocket here. That's nice. And no pockets on this side. And actually, we have this here. I like how we can just zip this closed. And it doesn't really take up a lot of room, guys. Even though it's like in there, you can see it's not like super thick or anything like wearing this pack in here. So you hardly even notice, and it's definitely like nice and cozy, warm too. So very, yeah, I'm gonna like take this to the beach It's actually a little chilly out, so I might run over there and just test it out. But already, just sitting in my room, this is nice. It's nice and warm, heating up. I could see this has quite a bit of battery life too, so on like low heat. I like how the button is nice and bright too, so you can definitely tell like which temperature it's going to be at. So we can go low and just keep it at that, and it'll last a long time. But anyways, yeah, let's go test this out a little bit. So far, first impression, guys, it's a nice fit, super cozy, feels nice and warm, heated up real quick, and doesn't feel like there's anything in there. You know, like a heating pad or something, and like kind of not so pliable. Maybe we got wires in there. This graphene is like super supple, and you don't really notice it as far as like a metal or a mesh or anything like that. So if that makes sense, it just feels like a normal jacket. Well, I'm at the beach here. It's not too breezy, but it's a little chilly. I got my jacket on here. Press that to activate the heat there. Kind of bundle up. It's a beautiful day though. This thing is just super cozy, even though it's got a little bit of wind kicking off here. It doesn't really get inside the jacket. I feel like this is pretty windproof. Just bundle up here. Not really be cold at all. So it's like super cozy. I like how it's kind of snug around the wrists and around the waist here. That elastic is kind of nice. Keeps the wind from getting in there, even though it's wind's picking up there a little bit. I hope you guys can hear me okay. But so far, so good. I really enjoy this jacket. It's to regulate the temperature. If I'm feeling chilly right off the bat, I just turn it on high and it heats up right away. I'm already feeling like toasty warm, like kind of being wrapped in a cloud here, a warm cloud. So as the multiple heating zones makes it super nice, that's for sure. So feeling my back of my arms there, on my back for sure, and just yeah, it's just super comfortable. I think it's a really nice looking jacket as well. I like how convenient this is. I can just press the button if I need to adjust the temperature. The pockets are nice and spacious in here. Whether you're walking on the beach or, you know, just at a ball game or something that's kind of chilly, this is gonna make a big difference as far as just a normal jacket. Wind starting to pick up now. As far as just like a normal jacket and then one with like heated ones. Because like if you're cold and you got a jacket on, you're still gonna be kind of cold, you know, especially if there's a biting wind or something like that. But if you have this with the heating in there, it warms you up too, so that you don't have that biting, that chill, just of putting, if you're cold and you put on a cold jacket, this one, you can definitely tell the difference with this, already nice and warm. So if you guys are looking for a sweet jacket, I really like the colors that this comes in too. That's kind of like a rugged, kind of like outdoorsy jacket color. I really like that. It's super comfy. Like the lining in the pockets is just nice in my hands. It's not like it's a nice, like a kind of a softer material, not like plastic or anything like that. So I like that a lot. So this is just a really good jacket, guys. Anyways, if you guys want to check it out, I'll link it in the description below. Thanks for watching this review, my friends. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.